Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this session, we will discuss some different type of radiations, infrared radiation, ultraviolet radiation. So the usage of this, our body detect infrared radiation by heating effect on the skin. So it's sometimes called radiant heat or heat radiation. So infrared is also used in a thermal imaging cameras, which shows hot spots. So hot spots can be detected by using thermal imaging cameras because it detects, because of infrared, it detects the hot spots. So infrared sensors are used in satellites and aircraft for weather forecasting and monitoring of land use, assessing energy loss from the building and locating victims of earthquakes. So these are the usage of this infrared. So similarly, intruders or DVD players, there are a lot of applications. Infrared radiation can cause burns on the skin and eye damage if the intensity is high. So if infrared radiations are used with a very low intensity, so it doesn't cause any harm. But if the intensity is high, it may cause burning or to the skin and eye damage. Similarly, the ultraviolet radiation have a shorter wavelength than light. They cause suntan and produce vitamin in the skin, but too high an exposure can be harmful. Ultraviolet radiation causes fluorescent paint and color washed in some detergent to fluorescence. And water treatment plant use UV to sterilize water because the energy of UV radiation is high enough energy to kill bacteria. So UV are used in killing bacteria in the water. Similarly, the radio waves have the longest wavelength in the electromagnetic spectrum. They are radiated from aerials to carry sound, picture, and other information over the long distance. So this is, and at this point, some diffractions occurs. So this bending is because of this hindrance of these edges. Similarly, microwaves of a few centimeters they use for international telecommunication and direct broadcast satellite television relay via geostationary satellites. Microwave signals are transmitted through the ionosphere by dish aerials. Some microwaves are also used in wireless application, Bluetooth, short-range communication between many different types of electronic devices, from mobile phones to entertainment system. Mobile phones, this is also used in a mobile phone and entertainment system. Microwave can also be used for cooking in the microwave oven. Since they cause water molecules in the moisture of the food to vibrate vigorously at the frequencies of microwave, as a result the heating occurs inside the food which cooked itself. This is the important phenomenon which occurs in the microwave oven. Similarly, the X-rays are produced when a high-speed electrons are stopped by a metal target. When high-speed electrons strike with a metal target, X-rays are produced. So X-rays have a smaller wavelength than UV. These have a smaller wavelength but higher energy, higher frequency. They are absorbed to some extent by living cells, but they can penetrate certain solid objects and affect a photographic film like this. They are used in dentistry and medicine to detect broken bones, and in radiotherapy in high dose to kill cancerous cells. In engineering application, X-ray imaging is used to inspect welding joints and detect cracks in metal parts. For safety, X-ray machines need to be shielded with lead, because this is harmful for the human body. Similarly, the gamma rays are more penetrating and dangerous than X-rays because its frequency is even higher than the X-rays. So they used to both diagnose and treat cancer, and also to kill harmful bacteria in food and on surgical instrument. In medical diagnostics, a radioactive tracer which emits gamma rays and preferentially absorbed by cancer cells is placed in the patient's body. Gamma rays photography is then used to image the distribution of the tracer and hence the distribution of cancer cells. In radiotherapy used to treat cancers. Radiotherapy is used to treat cancer. For cancer treatment, radiotherapy is used where the gamma rays are exposed to the tumor or cancerous cells. Engineering application, gamma ray photography is used to detect cracks and flaws like X-rays. Similarly, the X-ray, this gamma ray is also used to detect cracks, and this is called radiography. And